Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
The AR383 pressure washer is a top seller on Amazon, and for good reason. 1900 psi at 1.5 gallons per minute means the 383 can blast through some of your toughest home cleaning projects. Safe, convenient, quiet electric power with AR's total stop system means the motor turns off when you release the trigger. Onboard attachments include a fully adjustable spray wand, from an intense 0-degree stream to a wide spray pattern with a simple twist. The included turbo nozzle provides maximum force in a spinning 0-degree spray to quickly break down some of the toughest caked-on dirt and grime in half the time. Tough stains? Fill the detergent bottle, twist on, and pull the trigger to spray on your favorite cleaning solution. Wrap it up with onboard hose storage, and easy roll wheels get you to your next project or garage. With a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, you can be confident you made the right choice. The AR383, Blue Clean Power.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.